Hello, my name is Michael Condello, and I'm from the Condello Group.
And I'm Teresa Burley with the Condello Group, and we're with Realty One Group MVP. You can reach me at 239-333-9011.
Welcome to Golden Gate Estates, where privacy, space meets modern luxury, and they all come together.
This newly, thoughtfully upgraded home sits on just under 3 acres. This home offers a rare blend of redefined design and peaceful estate living. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the elevated finishes, from metallic cork accent walls that add texture and warmth to custom upgraded drapery designed to frame every room beautifully.
The heart of this home features sleek European-style cabinetry paired with mitered waterfall countertops, creating a clean contemporary aesthetic that feels both timeless and inviting.
Whether you're hosting, relaxing, or simply enjoying the quiet of Golden Gate Estates, this home offers the space to live freely and the finishes to live beautifully.
This house comes complete with a resort-style pool and spa, surrounded by an open acreage and endless possibilities.
Your private oasis awaits. This is Teresa Burley, and you can reach me at 239-333-9011.
This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle.
Welcome home.